What's up, guys? It's your boy D Fresh in the building. What we gonna do today is we gonna cover Monday's game plans. Guys, I hope you out there enjoying this weekend, but you already know we ready to get right back to it. Before we start, do me a favor, go ahead and hit that like button below, subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notifications. Let's go ahead and see if we got anything that'll rock the markets tomorrow. Negative. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. We're going to do it a little different with the newbies and beginner plays. I'm getting a lot of requests on changing it up a little bit. Here we go. We're going to go ahead and start the first one out with ticker HOOD. If you are bullish in this ticker right here, they closed at 26.30. What you want to see is 26.40 get taken out, and then this top right here at 26.65. They can break through that. Boom, they're going to try to head towards the $27 mark and higher. But guys, that's going to be heavy level. I can tell you that right now. Expect a rejection from there and expect them to come back down to test that area at 26.10 again. If they start losing that, they coming back down to this stuff. Needless to say, if you are a bear sitting in this ticker right here, you want to see these bottoms right here at 26.10 get taken out. They can break through that. You got these at 25.80. and coming on back down here to 25.30. That's hood. Next ticker, we're going to do SoFi. If you are a bull, they closed at $9. You want to see these tops right here at 9.05 get taken out. They can take out that right there. They're going to start trying to push this to the higher stuff. If you are a bear, simple. You want to see this shelf level right here at 8.90 get taken out. They can take out this stuff right here. They're going to try to pull this stuff on back down till you got a level at 8.75. They get through 8.75. Boom, we coming back down 8.65 and lower. Ultimately, you want to see 8.55 get taken out before they start trying to drop this thing down to the lower stuff. With these small low cap tickers, guys, you got to take those 10-cent drops as a win. You got a lot of contracts in there and you see good profit, get out of it, take that profit, look at another entry at another time, or better yet, look at another move for the next day. Next ticker up, we gonna do SMCI. It closed at 47.80. If you are a bull, you want to see this top right here get taken out. 48.15, 48.20. They can break through that. They're going to start trying to run to the higher stuff. If you are a bear, what you want to see is 47.45 get taken out. They can take out that level right there. You got another shelf level down here. Boom, 46.75. They can break through that. You want to see these bottoms down here get taken out for a real good drop. 45.75. They break through that right there. Check this out. Boom, they coming down to 44.40. There you go. Newbies and beginners. That's 3 different tickers for you to pay attention to. Put on your radar. You start seeing these levels get violated, then you know what to do. All right, guys. Big baller shot callers, where y'all at? We ready to grind for you guys. We got a couple of them. I wanted to change that up a little bit as well, but I still felt the need to keep the main ones on there. I know the request was, you always do SPY. SPY ain't going nowhere. SPY is going to be part of that call out every video because the most of the people trade in the SPY. So we're going to keep the SPY on there. The majority rules, the majority wins. But we're going to start out with Nvidia. They're sitting at 134.75. If you are a bull, you want to see us start taking out 135.10 out of the gate. We start taking that out right there. Boom. You want to see 135.30 get taken out. And ultimately, this top right here at 135.80. You start taking out that right there, they're going to start booming this to 137, 139, 140, 141. We'll be paying attention to that in real time once that presents itself. If you are a bear, what you want to see is 134.55 get taken out. They can start taking out that right there. You got a trip down to 134.20, break through that. You got these bottoms down here where they wicked at here and here. You got 133.50 on table. Bulls need to perform right here because if they start losing these levels right here, look what we got. Boom. They can run this thing down to 132.10. I got my area of interest down here at 131.80. We start losing that right there. Hello. We coming right back down to 131 even. little turbulence in here, and we coming under again. If you are a bull, you don't want to see that. You want to see full charge ahead. Next ticker up is gonna be Tesla. Got to keep Tesla on here. We know most of the people are playing Tesla, so we want to keep Tesla going. First of all, shout out to everybody that caught that Tesla play. I had a put play out there for Tesla. Said once it started violating these areas right here, here's the area where they're going to fall apart at. And man, did they fall apart. That was a crazy move if you was able to play that. If you are a bear, you want to see this level right here get taken out, 215.75. They break through that. You got some turbulence at 214.40, and then look at they get some pressure. Boom, they can drop this thing all the way back down to 208. Level to level, of course, but if they get some speed, they can really drop that thing right there. If you are a bear, you want to see them open under 215.80. They can open under that level right there. It definitely puts 208 into play. All right, guys, if you are a bull, you want to see 218.80 get taken out. They can take out that. Boom, 220.70 on the table again, and here's where it start turning into the bullish trend, 222.70. They can break through there. Boom, we coming back to 225. You got the levels out there. I'm spitting it to you, so make sure you jot it down and be ready to pounce when you see them forming. Next ticker up, XOM. We're going to do it a little different. We're going to throw XOM in here. If you are a bull, you want to see these tops right here at 124 get taken out, 124.05. They can break through that. They can start running up to the next levels. If you are a bear, what you want to see is these bottoms right down in here get taken out, 122.90. They start breaking through that right there. You coming back down, 122.30. Next level down is going to be 121.55, and ultimately you want to see that one right there, 120.80 get taken out. They can take out that right there. Boom, we coming down to 120.20. All right, that's XOM. We're going to throw another one up there that we normally don't follow. We're going to throw MSTR in here. They closed at 212.50. You see, they on a breakout. They ready to take off. What you want to see is this one open somewhere around 212, 213.10. They can start breaking through that. They going to start booming this thing higher. And you want to see if they open above 213.10, they're going to start popping this thing. If you are a bear, you want to see 209.25 get taken out. If you scalping this thing and you want a quick entry, 211.15, 211.10 will take you back down to this chef level right in here at 208, let's just say 208.55. If you scapping, that is a play that you can get into and you can ride down there. But if you trying to wait and you ain't trying to get caught up in any of that right there, you want to see this break right here, 207.40, or either you want to take this break right in here, 209.50. 209.50 will open the door down to this level right here at 207.55. Once we start breaking that stuff right there, boom, 201.90 we coming down to. And if they lose 201.90, next level down is going to be 198.50. So that one can fall. You see, they went on a run. Boom, they boomed that thing all the way up here. But man, you know what goes up must come down. Have that type of reaction once you start seeing the red candles form and they start getting rejected around some key areas. And when I say key areas, once you start seeing them get rejected by that yellow line, that's my 9 EMA. They start getting rejected right there, and then they start losing VWAP, they coming back down. So that is a play opportunity if you paying attention to that right there. We're going to hit it with the last ticker. Last ticker is gonna be the SPY. Can't take the SPY out. It's my favorite, it's my baby, and it's most of you guys' favorite. Even though you don't acknowledge it, we know what you out there doing. You out there buying them 0 DTEs contracts, and you trying to make a whole bunch of money in a little bit of time. Stop that. Nah, I'm playing. It's all right. You do that because you can get away with it as long as you buy it early enough. You buy it early enough, you can get in, grind, make a little bit, and get out of there. You just got to know you can't marry it. All right, guys, 579.55 is where we sit. If you are a bull, what you want to see is 580.30 get taken out. They can take out 580.30. They're going to try to run it up to 581. Next target would be 581.20. They break through that, it's going to go up and so forth. We'll call that in real time. But guys, this is uncharted territory. We don't know what's going to happen in this area right here. The only thing we can do is our best calculated guess based on previous movement over time. And that's kind of what I just gave you a little while ago, and take it from there. I wouldn't jump into calls into this play until it start giving you history up in here and start coming back down and then coming back up. That way, at least we got some levels that we can play off of, and we know once it hit here, it's gonna come down, or once it gets past here, it's gonna go. Only thing we got history on this baby with is 580.35. That's it. Once it gets past there, it's unknown. That's just my outlook on it. But guys, if you are a bear, you want to see this shelf level right here at 279.10 get taken out. They can take that out and start showing some pressure to that downside. You got 578.65, and then boom, 578.05. We start losing 578.05. It's coming back down to my level right in here at 577.10. You might get some reaction at 577.20, but that's the level that they're going to try to reach. 577.10 will handle in real time once they start getting to those points right there. Guys, I just wanted to give you guys a few different tickers to pay attention to, a few different tickers to put on your radar. We back at it tomorrow, but hey, if you like this kind of content, do me a favor, go ahead and hit that like button below, subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification. If you like sniper type, level to level periodic breakdowns of your favorite tickers, SPY, Nvidia, Tesla, Palantir, HODL, Nike, go ahead and join me in my Discord. The link is in the description below. And as always, we grinding. Good luck out there, and let's get it. Boom.